Alright, hello everybody. Tonight we have these Futurama Artillery Shells by Raccoon Fireworks. There are 12 ball shells in this, and it says they all have tails, so that'll be nice to see. On the sides it goes through, tells the different effects. So over here on this side it goes through red glittering willow, gold willow, salute to white strobe, colorful peony with crackle, silver crackling chrysanthemum, green strobe with red palm pistil, gold brocade to green, purple with green strobe, red and white and blue peony, red to green peony, green glittering willow, and blue stars with red palm pistil. So we'll go ahead and open this up, weigh the shells, see what kind of tube we have. And just for reference, these shells were $34.95 for 12. These have a pretty tall tube. It is cardboard on a plastic base. Seems like it does fit pretty well though. It seems pretty sturdy. Shells are wrapped in foil, which is normally a pretty good sign that they're decent quality shells if they take the time to wrap them. Go ahead and weigh these, see how they weigh. It's 46 grams. Let's see if it says anything about which effect this is. I don't see any kind of label or anything that tells what shell is what, so we may not know. We just know those shells should be in the box. Like I said, this one is 45 grams, or 46. This one is 42. And that one is 44. So let's see how well these fit down in the tube. Okay, seems to be a good fit. They look pretty decent. They don't look like there's any that are either way too big or way too small. That's a pretty good fit. Some brands you'll get, and there's a big difference between the largest and smallest shell, and some will barely fit in the tube, and then some have all kinds of space. So always just like to check and see. Now it's got a little bit more room, but shouldn't be a problem. So as soon as it's dark, we'll go ahead and light these off.